Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. Have you ever uploaded a video, but barely anyone saw it? You might be shadow banned on YouTube. A shadow ban means YouTube quietly limits your video. You don't get any alert, no strike, but your content is hardly seen by viewers. Here are 5 signs your YouTube channel might be shadow banned. First, sudden drop in views. Second, videos don't show in search. Third, shorts stuck at 0 to 10 views. Fourth, very low impressions. And fifth, subscribers aren't seeing your uploads. Here's how you can fix a shadow ban and get your videos back on track. Stop uploading for 2 to 3 days to give the algorithm a reset. Upload original content. Avoid spammy behavior. Focus on engagement. Remember, originality plus engagement equals the algorithm loves you. And that's it. Like, comment, and subscribe for more YouTube tips.